Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Welcome back to my YouTube video. And in this video, today I will share my English journey, how I started my English journey. You know, when I started my English journey, so it was not very difficult, but you can say it is not easy for me. And when I start my English journey, so your thought is and your mind says if you start your English journey, so everyone judges your English and how you practiced English. So I am practiced English in myself. I practice English in alone because I know when I practiced English that time, so everyone judged me. So I practice English and all. I practice English alone. And if you also improve your English, and today I will share how you can't speak English, what's the main problem, and what's the main solution about it. So in fact, your thought, main problem is your thought because your thought is you can't speak English. You don't know you can also speak English and you can do it. You can speak it fluently. Just believe in yourself and get over your personal problems. Actually, when I start my English journey, so I don't know I lot fluent in English. No, I mean I watched a lot of English videos. So some videos also give benefits me, but some videos not benefits me. But I can don't say it about it because I don't really use that techniques some videos. But when the videos I watch, I also use that technique to really improve my English. And my English is good with my childhood, but I that time I was in 8th class, 2024, and now is 2026. You know, now 2 years, and so when I start English journey, so when I start speaking this, I record my voice, I record my video in mobile phone and I watched my video. So that the first thing I noticed first thing that is now I am a lot improved my pronunciation, my voice, my tone. I want to improve my tone. I want to improve polished my tone. So but now I'm in fluent because I start my English journey. If you start English journey, then you can improve your English. But if you don't start English journey, so you can't speak English fluently. Then first thing you should know, you should just focus on yourself, not a distractions. Your mind says when I'm speaking is what people think about me, and if they judge me, if I make mistake, they judge me. It's overthinking on your mind. If you believe in yourself and try to speak English, and your mind also says when you watch in English videos, so you don't understand. When you watch English movies, you don't understand. The first thing you should understand, you should try to speak English, and you should watch in uh, shorts English videos and cartoon English videos. That easiest way to learn English and basic English. And you try to speak English in your English environment, or whatever you and whatever you're doing and what's your habit. So you try to speak English, and I practice a lot of sentences in English. Now I am fluent in English. पता क्या है दोस्तों कि सभी लोग इंग्लिश आप भी चाहते हैं इंग्लिश बोलना, लेकिन प्रॉब्लम होती ये है कि जब आप इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हैं तो लोग आपकी आप सोचते हैं कि लोग मेरी इंग्लिश को जज करेंगे। जब मैं इंग्लिश बोलूँगा तो लोग हँसेंगे। तो अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है तो आप प्रैक्टिस करो इंग्लिश की अलोन, आप खुद से प्रैक्टिस करो, आप अकेले में प्रैक्टिस करो। अगर आप अकेले में इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो लोग आपकी इंग्लिश को जज भी नहीं करेंगे और आप इंग्लिश बोलना भी सीख जाइएगा। तो दोस्तों जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था इंग्लिश बोलने के लिए तो मैं अकेले प्रैक्टिस करता था और मैं अपने वीडियोज़ को रिकॉर्ड करता था और मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ कि मैं सुनता था अपनी वीडियोज़ को और अपने टोन को इम्प्रूव करता था, अपने टोन को पॉलिश करता था एंड एक्चुअली इट्स also improved my English. And my English is also improved, but my tone is not improved. And I listening counting, and that time I lot of working on my listening skills, because if you improve your listening skills, then your speaking skills will be automatically improved. And actually, I'm also live in English in the environment, but now I'm influent. Why? Because I practice a lot. So guys, if you also speak English like celebrities, so you try to speak English and believe in yourself. So friends, I hope in this video is really helpful to you. So please subscribe my YouTube channel if you are ready. Take care, bye bye, love you all.